this video, we see the auditor auditing the automated performance monitoring system related to the injection molding process. This audit is directly related to ISO 9001 Clause 9.1 Monitoring, Measurement, Analysis, and Evaluation. The competencies defined in the Process Approach section of the Auditor Guide, Section 5, are applicable, and particularly the competency to focus on performance. Observe this video to see if the auditor undertakes an effective audit.
Hi Eva.
Hi.
So we're here and we're looking at manufacturing.
Yes.
I've asked you about the KPIs for the process and you've told me about your add-on board.
Okay.
So I was wondering if you could go through some of the key process.
Okay, in this
indicators you have.
panel we can see the performance, availability, quality, objective, number of pieces,
Okay.
real number of pieces, number of rejections,
Yep.
and stop time in this machine or in this
Right.
shift,
Okay.
and the PPMs.
Okay, so just capture a couple of those. So you've got availability. What does availability mean?
Is the availability of a machine, the time production and stop time affect this key.
Okay, and it's at 94%. So is that on target?
Yes, it's very good.
Okay, what is the target? Do you know?
It's very good. It's good. It's
Yeah.
good for us.
94% is good, yeah?
It's
Okay.
not very good, but it's good.
Okay, I mean, quality is 100%, so
Quality 100% is very good.
there's not a lot to ask on that. I was just looking, I noticed that the last shift,
Okay. In last shift, we can see we have a small mold change.
Ah, right.
Small time. We
Mold change, right.
lost more or less 1 hour in this change molds.
1 hour in terms of
More or less.
for a mold change, yeah?
Yes. And then when the mold starts to production, we have 3 rejections of quality,
Right.
and in the other hour we have 3 rejections of 9Z. 9Z is quality rejections.
So, right, code 90 is quality, yeah?
Yes, in total we have 9 rejections.
Okay. And is that documented anywhere? Do they communicate to you in terms of the shift handover?
Yes, when the start shift, the technician of the shift talk with the supervisor and talk about the problems and the availability, quality in all machines.
Okay, no, brilliant. Okay, well, thank you very much. So, if maybe we could have a look at what's running currently. So, I've got the control plan, if that's the current one. Maybe we could go and have a look at that.
Yes.
Let's evaluate how effectively the auditor audits the process. Before auditing a production process, an auditor should question the overall performance of the process against the defined objectives with the relevant process owner. Then, based on a review, the auditor should demonstrate the competencies defined in the IATF Auditor Guide, Prioritization, which states, demonstrates priority is given to questioning the process objectives and performance and focuses on issues that have the greatest impact on the customer. Then uses this information to follow audit trails to the shop floor. The auditor questions the information reported by the automated machine system and is told the machine availability is currently 94%, but it is unclear over which period this relates and what the target is. The auditor explains that at the end of the last shift, there was a mold change, which, after startup, had caused 9 rejections. This allows the auditor to follow audit trails on the verification of job setup, which relates to IATF requirement 8.5.1.3, and also verify the process for shift handover.